from Big Seller. So sa video ito guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung papaano mas mapapabilis ang inyong pag-list ng mga information sa inyong mga produkto sa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. So sa video ito guys, pag-uusapan natin ang tinatawag na scrape product. How to scrape products by extension. There are two ways how to scrape products by extension. Scrape single products. Pwede kang mag-scrape up to 20 products at one time. Then you can copy the link here. Then scrape by link only support by TikTok, Jacmall, Sendo, Tiki-Tiki, at many more. Then you can scrape by extension. Using extension, you need to install first. Then you need to remember before we starting scrape, you need to install Big Seller Chrome extension. So I already add an extension here. So, kailangan lang natin siyang enable. So, punta na tayo sa Shopee natin. Dito sa Shopee, then, pili lang tayo na product na gusto nating i-scrape. Punta dito sa search bar. Yan, search result page. Then, pili tayo na gusto nating i-scrape. For example, itong item na to guys. You can scrape single product or you can scrape also bulk. So, we try per single. So, for example, this product. So, scrape natin siya, single. Then, wait natin siyang mag-successful. So, you can view scrap product. Tapos, mapupunta siya dito sa new. So, it was successfully scraped. Kapag gusto naman natin ng maramihan, you can scrape by bulk. So, makikita natin dito yung scrape current page. Click lang natin to. Pag click natin to, makikita natin dito sa current page, lahat na nandito na product, may scrape siya. So, wait lang natin siyang ma-scrape. So, it was successfully scraped 61 products. So, view lang natin siya. So, mapupunta siya dito sa new. So, lahat ng mga na-scrape nating products, guys, dito siya mapupunta sa new. So, kapag gusto naman natin siyang i-import to another store, so, click lang natin yung import to store. Then, select natin yung store na gusto natin na ma-import. So, click natin siya, import. So, after siya mag-successful, mapupunta siya sa draft listing. So, click lang natin yung finish.